So good afternoon everybody. Today we are back with our class after a long time. As we know that now we have to start with our UT2 and term 2. So we'll be beginning with the new syllabus and I'll make you write down the syllabus when we'll be doing the question answer. So at the same time you can write the things and there would be no confusion. Okay. So we'll be doing that. But those students, those who have not made their video visible like Angel, Kavish, make your video visible. I want to see your faces. And today we are going to start with a chapter Microsoft Excel 2010. Before going for the examination, I have taught you this chapter. So first of all, I'll give you the recap of the thing which I have taught you. And after that, we'll move to the new things. So I would like to tell you the way to open Microsoft Excel is click on Start button, go on Microsoft Office, and then go on Microsoft Office Excel. And this is the way to open our Excel. The things which we have studied is the common things like title bar. Why it is called title bar? Because we used to write titles or heading of our thing over here. Then we are having a next, that is quick access toolbar, where we are having save, undo and redo option. These tools are here because we use it commonly. This is our office button. Then we come to the next thing, that was a file tab where all tabs are written like home, insert, page layout, formulas. This is a file tab. Then we are having a ribbon on which all the tabs are open. Like for example, right now I have clicked on home. So home tab is open here. When I'll click on insert, see all the options will change. So the ribbon changes according to the tab we have selected. This is the tab. Then we come to the name box. Here the cell name is present. This is a formula bar over here. Here we write the formula. Then we have a group over here that we can select even the groups what we want to select. As we know, this is a cell and here we have rows and columns. Okay. So each and everything is given. This is a status bar. Here we have to write, see the status. Mainly whenever we open a Excel sheet, there by default there are 3 sheets. Sagar, I think that beta you should sit and study. Okay, good. Now these are the 3 sheets which are by default present. If you want to add a new sheet, you have to just click on here and the sheet would be added. So in this way you can add new sheets. Okay, so this was the thing. We were talking about workbook and worksheet. I've explained you workbook and worksheet. Workbook means the all the Excel sheet on which we are working and the sheets which are having its part. And worksheet is similarly one sheet. Like I'm clicking on sheet 1. This is 1 worksheet. This is 2 worksheet. This is 3 worksheet, and this is 4 worksheet. But the combination of all 3 worksheets together is a workbook. So you can say that your book is a workbook and all the single pages are your worksheet. Now let's come to entering a data. How you have to enter a data in a worksheet. To enter a data in a worksheet, you have to just select a cell. Sagar, this chapter is chapter number 6, which we are studying. So please be focused over here. Now, this is the thing. We have to just click on a cell. And after clicking on a cell, you have to just start writing. Just for example, I have to write a name. In B, I'll write class. And over here, I'll write the section. Because I am having 2 sections. Right now, I am teaching 2 sections. So this is the way to enter the data. This is the way you can enter the data. I would like to write, see, I am able to see Viraj right now. So Viraj's class is 6th and Viraj section, I don't remember. Viraj, in which section you are? Please tell me. Okay, like I am able to see Yogang. Yogang is also in, it is gang, sorry. You can change it over here. It can be K. and here we'll write 6th again, and section we'll write it again later on. That doesn't matter. Okay. Now, for example, I have to enter a sheet, means I wanted to write number 1, number 2, और मैं नहीं लिख पाई हूँ, so I can insert a column. I can insert a column. See, I have inserted one column and I'll write over here S number. Even we have discussed about this also, that how to write a auto number. See, I'm writing 1, then I'm writing 2, but I don't want to write it again and again. Then I'll select it. I'll click on this plus sign, I'll go, then I'll click on this and I'll go fill the series. See, my counting has come from itself. Okay, so this is your auto filling feature. Then we come to the performing a calculation. How to perform a calculation? For performing any calculation, you have to write in this formula bar. For example, I want to add 89 and 56, and over here I'll write 67. What I have to do? I have to select the cell where I want the result. Over here in the formula bar, I'll write equal to sign. Please don't forget that equal to sign is very important. Equal to sign. Then we'll write sum, bracket. With it, we'll write the cell number, like we are having this cell number. We'll place a H sign and then this cell number, and we'll close the bracket. We'll see my sum is over here and I have written the formula in the formula bar and my sum is done. But for example, if I want an auto sum, अगर मुझको auto sum चाहिए सारी चीजों का, then I have to just click on auto sum. See, over here it is coming. No, I'll select this and I press the enter key. See, the sum is over here. So auto sum is very easy. Now let's come to the next thing, that is adding or removing a worksheet. For adding, it is very easy. I have told you, you have to click over here. See, this is insert worksheet and your worksheet is inserted. And for removing, just go on the sheet, click over here. See, delete option is coming and the sheet is deleted. See, again, right click, delete, and the sheet is deleted. In this way, I can delete the sheet also. And how to save it? Go on Office button, click on Save As, write the name, click on Save, and the sheet is saved. I hope this much things is clear to you. And after that, we'll be taking your